Hey everyone, and welcome to High Risk Merchant Accounts 101, brought to you by SoarPay. Today we're diving into something that often feels like a black box for business owners, the underwriting process. If you've ever applied for a merchant account and faced delays, extra questions, or even denials, chances are the underwriting was the reason. So what is underwriting in the world of payment processing? In simple terms, underwriting is the risk review process that payment processors use to decide whether or not to approve your business for a merchant account, especially in high-risk industries like nutraceuticals, firearms, and travel. Underwriting plays a critical role in protecting both the processor and the banks involved. Here's what underwriters are really looking for. First, they're evaluating your business model. What do you sell? How do you sell it? And who are your customers? The goal is to assess how likely your business is to generate chargebacks, fraud, or compliance issues. Second, underwriters look closely at your processing history, things like average ticket size, monthly volume, and most importantly, your chargeback ratio. If you're an established business, clean processing history can go a long way towards approval. Third, they're reviewing your website and marketing materials. Is your website professional and compliant? Are your terms and conditions clearly posted? Are you transparent about pricing, refunds, and delivery timelines? These are often make or break factors. Fourth, underwriters examine your financials. This can include bank statements, tax returns, or other documentation that shows you can handle potential refunds and chargebacks. If your business has very little cash flow or is consistently overdrafting, that's a red flag. Finally, your industry reputation matters. Have there been legal or regulatory issues in your sector? Is your product category known for high consumer complaints? These broader factors can influence the underwriting decision, even if your individual business is well run. The takeaway? Underwriting is not about being unfair. It's about managing risk. And for high-risk businesses, it's absolutely essential to present yourself in the best possible light. Clean documentation, honest marketing, and a proactive approach to compliance can make a major difference. Want to learn more about high-risk payment processing? Subscribe for more insights and check out SoarPay for solutions tailored to your business needs. See you next time.